Maybe not.
I'm done.
Oh, Marco, come on. Ponyhead didn't mean bad. She's just a liar.
Wait.
Wait? That's all we've been doing. I'm sweaty, I'm hungry, and on top of everything, you lied about goblin dogs.
Look, Marco, I mean, all of these people have lied.
She's right. I lied too. I'm not the one who threw this axe at you.
Hi, my name's Stan.
Hi,
It's
Stan.
awesome.
I'm also a liar. I told my wife this was a mink coat. It's just my body.
My glasses are fake. Ooh, it feels good to let that out.
These aren't my teeth.
Look, we've all lied. And lying is not cool, but there's only one person here who's lied to all of us.
Yeah! Ponyhead!
Yeah!
What? No! That guy.
Oh, yeah! He did lie to all of us! Get him!
You're gonna lose your place in line!
Ow! Look out, Marco!
Skeleton! Oh, no! Yeah! All right, Ponyhead!
He's getting away!
We lost him!
Oh, no, we certainly did not. Grab on, turd.
I'm not sure I like you calling that.
Cloudy Charm! Magnificent Marshmallow Mush!
Okay, Roy, now give up the goblin dogs.
Okay, you got me, severed horsehead. Goblin dogs aren't real.
What?
It's